renting a golf cart, driving around the villages, getting crazy.
I am stuck away so bad.
We got a golf cart from Villages Golf Cart Rentals in Spanish Springs. We're going to Brownwood Toojay's.
Yeah, Toojay's.
Me?
Blinkers on.
Oh my gosh.
Great job,
You don't
honey.
want some of these people to
I'm a
yell at
rookie.
you.
I'm a rookie.
These people around here will just tear into you if you don't turn your blinker off. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Yep, sure did. We're at the Brownwood Square and just ate at Toojay's. Now we're gonna go to the square and get margaritas.
Yay!
Bloody Marys. Bloody Marys. How's it going?
Hi! Oh, don't bite my hand.
What's up, everybody? So once we arrived in Brownwood, we decided to walk around the square. It was a Saturday market day. You can tell by just the video that we're in so far, there's not as many people on the square as there typically would be. A lot of people were wearing masks and just in general not shoulder to shoulder like it typically is in the Brownwood market. The Barnstorm Theater is the movie theater in the Brownwood Square. And then once you come down this way, City Fire is on the east side of the square. And this is about 11 o'clock in the morning, so not too early, not too late. We decided that we were going to go to World of Beer just as our first destination. We wanted to get a few drinks in each square and see how everything would go.
Alright, World of Beer it is.
Sounds good.
World of Beer.
We wanted to get margaritas, but the stands were not open for the margaritas in the squares. Typically you can get margaritas right at the little square in the stand, but they weren't open. And I'm not sure if they just weren't open because it was early in the morning or because of the COVID-19 going around. World of Beer has quite a few selections, but even their selection was dumbed down at this point. They didn't have as many beers as they typically would, but everybody got mixed drinks. Natalie and Stacy got lime margaritas, Carrie got a Bloody Mary, and I just got a IPA, Space Dust IPA. I think everybody started to loosen up a little bit at this point, and we decided to walk the rest of the square and go visit Riccardi's. As you can see again, the square is really empty as we make our way down to the other side. I know it was getting a little hotter outside, and maybe the rain that just passed through kind of kept people away, but the square was pretty empty. The entertainment still is not going on in the Brownwood Square at night. So by the end, we decided on Riccardi's, and I think it's a much better choice for the morning time just because of their selection of mixed drinks. They don't have the beers, but beer is pretty heavy through the day.
We went to World of Beer, now we're going to Riccardi's, which is on the corner.
What can I get you?
I think we need like drink. We're just gonna get some drinks. I don't know if you have
I think that's why he's asking what he can get us.
I don't know if you have like a drink menu.
I really
some
don't.
of your specialty stuff. I see. Up there.
Well, that's what they did last night. I can do those. That was.
Is that just a standard Bloody Mary, or is it something?
Bloody Marys are big. Saturday I've already made probably 40 or 50 of them. Okay,
Yeah.
so Bloody Mary, peach,
Regular margarita.
salt.
You have strawberry margaritas?
Or strawberry daiquiris.
Daiquiri?
Don't have strawberry syrup.
Anything light? Like light to drink?
Yeah, you heard me. Yesterday I was like, hey, I read some studies and couples who make fun of each other are happier. I'm like, no wonder they're so good.
So the drinks are better?
Yes. Did you not hear me? I said, there comes Stacy's aunt.
Man, I don't get it.
Oh, God. Keep drinking, Scott. You'll get it. One way or another, you'll get it.
Natalie is telling bad jokes. So they said the drinks are better here at Riccardi's than they were at World of Beer.
Well, World of Beer should have got beers.
Well, yeah.
But we were drinking margaritas today. A little sad that the square things aren't open.
Yeah, the square vendors, like for the square bars, are not open.
Alright, that's
So we can't get margaritas there, but that's okay. We got them here. I just got a couple IPAs because I'm not into lime margaritas, but
So this is going to be one of three about the squares through the villages. This is going to be Brownwood, then we'll have Lake Sumter, and then we'll have Spanish Springs. I didn't realize how much footage that I would end up having from our day riding the golf cart around. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, it means the world to me. and give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below about what you'd like to see, do better, or what you enjoyed about the video. Make sure you give it a good thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.